we need to talk. It's it's been a couple months. I can explain. The car's been gone, okay? The car has been at Chris and Craig's shop. I'm gonna try and do a cool straight fabrication. But it's been at the shop. It's been a lot, okay? Exhaust, went from a dual, that just insanely obnoxiously loud dual. To a single, just shit, dog shit single, but quieter, right? And that's what we're going for. We're not trying to be assholes. We're just trying to drive, okay? Quieter exhaust, single exit. Yeah. New hydro setup. I got rid of that. I got rid of that stock location handbrake dealio that I had. Let's see, what else do we do? I sold the Rocket Bunny kit. I got a new kit ordered. I got new wide body ordered. I got some stock front fenders, which is tits. But long story short, the car is back. And I would say like 90% done, which is big. You know what I'm saying? Like, we might actually start driving here soon. Like, this car might actually be out, you know what I'm saying, hitting some corners, baby. Yeah. So, little update. This thing's not a total piece of shit anymore. Fucking still harder than hell to drive. Oh, but we're gonna give her hell, boys. Yee-hoo! The exhaust isn't as loud as it used to be too, which is fucking sweet. And of course it's raining. It's hard to see right now, probably on camera, but at one time I'm like, let's take the Z out, do a little drive. Now that she's all good, nah, let's rain. It's a little sprinkle, it's not that bad, but still. Come on, cut me some slack. Just trying to have a good time. Still pretty obnoxious as far as the loudness goes, but it's a lot quieter than it used to be. Yeah, it just sounds like a VQ, you know? There's something about them. I don't know what it is, it's just absolutely horrible. It's like the worst sound ever. Owns a VQ, hates a VQ. It's funny, huh? So, what you're seeing here, got the Vertex in there. Yeah, baby. Got a new hydro setup. I ditched that old one that was here, like a factory handbrake location one, and went with that GK Tech like in-console mount one. I think that's gonna work a lot better for kind of what I'm looking for. I fucking hated that stock hand placement one, which is absolute bullshit. Got some stock black fendies on this thing. It's starting to actually look like a car. I've got overs at the house. I got my kit already. I just gotta get it unraveled and thrown on. I did that KVD freaking V2 kit or whatever it is, right? Check out the bird exhaust. Oh my god, it's got a silencer in it. I bet it's gonna be so quiet. Just kidding, you just heard the clip. It's not fucking quiet. It's insanely loud still and super annoying. But yeah, bless the fucking weather, dude. Of course it's raining now, but Z's fucking ready to go. Oh, and I got new belts too. I guess that's hard to see. Some new race equips for the old Cusco Brids, you know what I'm saying? This thing's dialed in. I gotta throw the kit on and this shit's ready to go, baby. I'm so pumped. Honestly though, like having the Vertex in here, having the full GK Tech gang, you know? Like this setup feels, like the setup feels better. Like it just feels like I'm more at home in the car, you know?